Welcome to Dingle, a charming harbor town, cobblestone streets, and colorful storefronts all around. It feels like stepping into a storybook. We started our day at Dingle Marina. Dingle Marina is a working harbor, fishing boats, pleasure boats, and visitors from around the world. There's a great story about this little guy, true story. Fungie, living in the marina for 4 decades. We took a quick stroll through town and headed up to see the work of Harry Clarke's wonderful stained glass. Designed in 1920, Harry Clarke is known for his detail and his rich tones. Clarke's glasswork sits inside a quiet chapel that was a convent in 1793. This beautiful chapel was then built in 1884 as part of the convent. Today it's repurposed for the art known as An Díseart. The next two slides is beautiful art that was on the same floor as the chapel within the convent. This piece of art, as you're going out of the convent, was on the walls in the entrance foyer. Let's take a 10-second walk through the little town of Dingle. Enjoy the music.